The Institute of Directors, India now makes a debut in Abu Dhabi and hosts yet another highly successful, its annual IOD's Tristar UAE Global Convention on March 5th to 8 in Abu Dhabi. This year's theme was Board's Strategy for a Future-Ready Business in an Uncertain World. This was organized under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Nahyan bin Mubarak Al Nahyan, Cabinet Member and Honorable Minister of Tolerance and Coexistence, Government of UAE, and also inaugurated this year's convention with the chief guest keynote address, His Excellency Abdullah Al Saleh, Undersecretary, UAE Ministry of Economy, addressed the Global Business Meet, and Mr. Eugene Main, Founder and Group CEO, Tristar Holdings Limited, UAE, will deliver a keynote address during the convention. Dr. Tayyib Kamali, Global Chairman, UAE and Gulf, IOD, India, was the chairman of the convention. His Excellency Satish Kumar Sivan, IFS, Consul General of India, Dubai, was the guest of honor and hosted the Global Business Meet in Dubai. Thank you to each and every one of you for your participation and your commitment towards excellence, making it a grand success. IOD is especially grateful to all our partners and supporters for supporting us in our mission.